Welcome to today's video. Let's talk about a very important concept for every teacher, Bloom's taxonomy. It is a framework created by educational psychologist Benjamin Bloom, used to understand and improve the way students learn. Bloom's taxonomy helps teachers plan lessons, ask better questions, and assess students by moving from basic to higher order thinking skills. It has different levels of learning, starting from remembering, then understanding, applying, and all the way up to creating, like a climbing a staircase of knowledge. In this video, we will explore each level with simple examples you can use in your classroom or exam preparation. So stay tuned and let's learn together.
Let's talk about Bloom's taxonomy, a system that helps teachers and educators organize learning in a step-by-step manner. It guides us from easier level of thinking to more complex levels. The first point here tells us that Bloom's taxonomy is like a ladder that students climb, starting from simple recall of information and progressing to higher order thinking skills. It was created by Benjamin Bloom in 1956 and has been revised over time to make it more suitable for modern education. The last point explains that Bloom's taxonomy has 6 levels of learning, which are like steps on a ladder. Each step helps students move from remembering basic fact to create new idea or solution.
Now let's look at the 6 levels of Bloom's taxonomy, which help us understand how students learn from basic memory to creative thinking. It's like climbing a staircase of learning. Let's go through each levels with example. First one, remember. So this is the first and most basic level, that is remembering. That means, can the student recall facts or information? So that is about remember. Okay. Example, what is Newton's second law? And the next one is understand. The next step is understanding what they have learned. Okay. So that is, the can the student explain ideas in their own words. Okay, so they already studied some concept and that they have to explain with their own words. Okay, so example, explain the meaning of inertia. Then the third one, apply. Now we check if they can use what they have learned in a real situation. That is, what they have learned that they have to apply in their real situation. Example, use formula to solve problem. Next, analyze. At this level, the students break down information and see a relationship. Example, compare two types of energy. Okay, and the fifth one, evaluate. Here they form opinions, make decisions, or judge between opinions. That is, which method is better and why. So they have to evaluate, they have to make decisions. Okay, and the last step is create, the highest level, where students use their learning to create something new. Example, design an experiment using Archimedes principle. Okay, so from simply remembering to actually creating new ideas. So Bloom's taxonomy helps us guide students at all stages of learning. As teachers, we can use these levels to plan questions, activities, and assessment that truly build thinking skills. So what is the use of Bloom's taxonomy? That is, teachers use Bloom's taxonomy to set learning outcomes, prepare questions, and assess understanding. That is, as teachers, we can use these levels to plan question and activities and assessment that truly build thinking skills. Okay, thank you.